Today we collected several different aluminum oil filter housings from market and we will show you the differences. First, we are going to disassemble the product we purchased. The oil cooler looks very similar. We are going to lose these 6 bolts from them. And to get a clear comparison study, we added the plastic version one together. I believe everyone knows plastic one well. Beside it, there is a gravity die casting housing, very solid. Left two are the aluminum housing from high pressure casting. You can identify the difference on their appearance if you watch it carefully. We removed the cooler from each housing. We will find the different housing design under the cooler. That is real good view for everyone to learn more about this produce. Is there anything suspicious inside? Let's take a close look. The second one from left side, you can see a hole added on housing with an additional plug. Can't understand why, but it's bad adding a new hole on housing and overall quality looks poor. The second one from right, gravity casting housing, with very nice machine surface for cooler, has exactly designed like OE plastic one. Only one of this housing is designed according to OE sample. And the two housing on left side, the plug on side is projecting than the two housings on right side. It's obviously risk for interference in installation into engine. The two housings in left have pore seals. The gravity casting housing has terrifically perfect mounting surface with the seal designed seating direction inside. Next, we will check the oil cooling hole on the bottom of housing. You can see the left high-pressure casting housing with a small oil tube inside. That is obviously not enough to match OE design of oil flow. Second one from left has terrible burst and crack inside the hole. That is caused by poor tooling design. The gravity casting housing has best design match OE, and there isn't any additional machining added. That is issue-free. The most important point is the surface machine as well. It will be very good to seat seamlessly in engine. From this view, you will find the left two aluminum housing manufactured by high-pressure casting have longer plug on side and on top. There are another two plugs with same issue. We will check the inside housing for filter. The good thing is the gravity casting housing with surface machine due to the special gravity casting process. One of the high-pressure casting aluminum housing is a disaster from manufacturing with crack and dangerous burr inside. So, the right choice is the gravity casting housing that is second one from right beside two plastic housing.